When these physical and chemical changes happen and different things can turn into other substances, you might think that the amount of matter in those substances changes, but it doesn't. It's something called conservation of mass. Now, what the law of conservation of mass, or the conservation of matter, says is that after any physical or chemical change, there is no change in the mass, or no change in the amount of matter. So, this is only provable in a closed system. So if I have a pot of water and I'm boiling it, some of that water is going to turn into water vapor and leave. But if I have a pot of water with a lid on it, the water will turn into water vapor, but it'll still stay in the pot. One example, if a piece of wood enclosed in a glass ball is burned, so here we have our glass ball, and here's a piece of wood. If it gets burned, so now it becomes ashes, right? Maybe a couple small pieces of wood. What happens to the mass? Now, because it's enclosed in a glass ball, if this was 20 grams to start out with, it's still going to be 20 grams. Nothing can be lost inside here. It's just changing its shape and changing its formation.